Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, May 14th. Starting to see these low clouds break up this morning. They'll be slowly but surely breaking up throughout the day. Still remaining mostly cloudy though, as we have a little bit of upper level energy swinging through the area. That combined with a little bit of instability created by these sun breaks could give us a slight chance of an isolated sprinkle, but that's only looking about 10% chance. Otherwise remaining dry throughout the day, then seeing things clear up even more as we go into tomorrow. Taking a look at our high temperatures from yesterday, did see a chilly day across the region. Most locations seeing high temperatures around 60 degrees. Here at Wallops, we got to a high of 61. Saw some cooler temperatures this morning as well. Here at Wallops, we dipped just below 50 degrees for our low. Down the Tidewater, saw temperatures in the mid-50s. Elsewhere, saw temperatures this morning near 50 degrees. Did see a wide range of rain reports yesterday across the region. Looks like the average was about a quarter of an inch to a half inch for most locations. Here at Wallops, we got just under a half an inch between 12Z yesterday and 12Z this morning. As of 9 a.m., seeing things a little bit warmer than we did see at this time yesterday. Already seeing temperatures into the mid to upper 50s for most locations under mostly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, we were seeing some light northwesterly winds at the surface, then increasing to 20 knots at 3,000 feet before those winds shift more westerly throughout the remainder of the column, increasing from around 20 knots at 6,000 feet steadily up to just under 60 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level a little bit lower this morning, down to 6,700 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, you see well east of the east coast, we have that system that has departed that gave us those rainy, cloudy conditions over the weekend and yesterday. We do have high pressure starting to slowly build in. That will build in a little bit more tomorrow, helping to clear things out a bit and give us a little bit warmer temperatures compared to today. Still going to be seeing temperatures a little bit chilly today. We're in the mid-60s, and then we have that weak upper level shortwave about to move through the area. That's just going to keep our clouds keep our skies mostly cloudy throughout the day with that very slight chance of an isolated sprinkle as we go towards the afternoon. Taking a look at our surface map here, we do have some northwesterly winds here across the Delmarva, and winds are shifted a little bit more westerly when we go towards western Virginia there. We are going to continue to see these mostly cloudy skies, and temperatures will just increase a few more degrees this afternoon up into the mid-60s. We're already seeing temperatures in the low 60s here as of 10 a.m. Taking a look at our forecast planner for today, going to see high pressure slowly build in throughout the day and into tonight. As we go into tonight, we should see a little bit of a decrease in the cloud cover, and then continuing to see that cloud cover decrease as we go towards tomorrow, when then we're finally going to be seeing a partly cloudy day with some more sunshine. Shouldn't be seeing any low cloud issues tomorrow like we have been seeing the past few days, and also going to be seeing temperatures get more seasonable. So expect a very pleasant, dry, and spring-like day for our Wednesday tomorrow, as high pressure starts to build off of the southeast coast and gives us a little bit more of an offshore flow. As we go into Thursday, still going to be looking at a nice day. The temperatures will be even a little bit warmer than Wednesday. We are going to have a weak front start to move just north of the area, as well as a weak shortwave. That's going to give us just a very slight chance of some isolated showers across the area, especially Thursday afternoon. Still should be warm and dry for the most part. Not expecting those shower chances to be too high. Anything that does occur will be later in the afternoon. Taking a look at our forecast chart for today, going to be seeing a high of 65 degrees early this afternoon. Northwesterly winds are going to increase as we go towards late morning hours and into the afternoon, as we get that axis of that very weak upper level energy movement across. That could help to give us some slightly gustier winds, only looking at about a 20 to 30% chance of seeing a wind advisory as we go towards the late afternoon hours, with those winds becoming 10 to 15 knots, gusting to around 24. Then we'll see those northwesterly winds slowly weaken throughout the evening hours and overnight, and becoming around 6 to 11 knots by mid-morning Wednesday, seeing another seasonable low tomorrow of around 50 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be a seeing pretty much these sky conditions remain how they are right now throughout the entire workday today. As we go towards the late afternoon, we'll see those 5 to 9,000 level clouds start to become scattered, and then after midnight tonight, we'll start to see just a few at 3,000, few at 6,000, and just a scattered cirrus deck, and that will persist into mid-morning Wednesday as well. Still seeing some high tides out there with the coastal flood advisory, tides remaining 1 to 2 feet above normal for the Delmarva Atlantic coast. For tomorrow, going to be looking at partly cloudy skies, very seasonable day with a high of 71. No rain expected. Wednesday night, going to be looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies. We'll see a little bit more of an uptick in cloudiness with a more mild low of 58 than we have been seeing the past couple mornings. And then on Thursday, going to be even a little bit warmer with a high of 75. Going to be still mostly cloudy, though, as we have that very weak system approaching from the north, and that's going to give us just a slight chance of an isolated afternoon shower. Also, could see those winds increase just a little bit as that weak impulse moves across the area late on Thursday. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be looking at the high of 65 today, a little bit warmer for Wednesday and Thursday into the lower to mid 70s. On Friday, we are going to be still seeing that weak stationary front remain north of the area. That should help to still give us some southerly winds, and that will help to warm our temperatures even further up to 79, perhaps even in the low 80s across portions of the Delmarva. Does look like we'll get another little batch of weak energy, giving us another chance for some spotty pop-up showers possible. Still, any chances of that happening, though, do look fairly low. And then Saturday and Sunday, still a little bit of a question mark as the models are once again struggling on the exact placement of a front that's going to be stationary somewhere across the mid-Atlantic. Does look like on Saturday that chances are decent that front will remain just north of Wallops to give us a little bit more of a warmer temperature, but then models are indicating that front will move south across the region to give us a little bit of a cooler low for Sunday and help knock those temperatures down a bit for Sunday. However, there's still quite a big swing, so we could see those days switch, as some models do have the warmer day being on Sunday, so that will be something hopefully we'll get more refined as we go towards tomorrow and Thursday for our next forecast. Then Monday does look like models do agree that we will see a return to some southwesterly flow ahead of the next system moving across the area. That should ramp up the warmth and moisture across the area early Monday, and then give us a chance of perhaps some scattered thunderstorms for Monday afternoon and evening. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.